2022 Camry. We're doing a transmission fluid replacement, and let's get active. Alright, so we are going to need a hex 10 and a hex 6, if I'm not mistaken. We're gonna need a drill, oil pan, God. Boom, 10mm hex. Oh, damn. Ooh. So 6mm hex. All right, then. All right. Oh. Gotta take this out. Tighten this little bit, okay. And then we just pump the fluid right there where I got that 24mm bolt out. All right, just finished pumping the fluid. We gotta check the fluid level. For the fluid level, the transmission has to be 40 Celsius. Right now is at 66. That means we're gonna have to wait a long time because they do take